Thank you for joining today for Credit Card Integration Hub solution demo. My name is Thomas Zaritsky. I am an ERP practice lead at AVATA. I spent over 20 years implementing Oracle applications. Last 7 years, I've been focused solely on Oracle Cloud solutions. What we're going to very briefly look at today is AVATA Credit Card Integration Hub. So our own solution that extends native Oracle Cloud capabilities to seamlessly integrate a number of Oracle Cloud modules from Oracle Order Management and Global Order Promising through Oracle Inventory, modules that you can see on the right-hand side of the diagram, with external payment processors, credit card payments processor gateways. We are supporting multiple methods of order entry from point of sales, terminals, mobile, e-commerce applications, as well as extensions, past extensions to Oracle Cloud. Regardless of how sales orders end up being entered or integrated into Oracle Cloud applications, our solution allows for seamless integration between that credit card paid order at all stages of order processing and order fulfillment, from initial customer entry or order entry through pre-authorization prior to order shipment or order completion, then tracking all possible exceptions as the order is being processed or shipped or delivered, and finally finalizing the charges once the order is complete. So we are going now to switch to Oracle Cloud applications. I'm going to start with a very basic set of screens. So we're going to go to Receivables and Billing, and then go to Manage Customers page. I have a test account entered earlier. That's CCIH customer, a Credit Card Integration Hub customer. And you can see that right there, we have a couple of hyperlinks added to the page. They allow us to securely transfer an operator, customer sales representatives, to an external credit card processor or provider. In this case, it's authorized.net. And we allow for embedded entry of credit card within Oracle screen, but also, which may be preferred for some of the installations or Oracle customers, we also allow for a full redirect, so the most secure method of entering credit cards. In this case, you can see that we are fully redirected to external payment processor. And in this case, we can view, edit credit card payment profile associated with Oracle account, or we can also add a new payment method just by clicking Add a New Payment Method screen. If I choose to edit the details, obviously everything will be processed securely by external provider. And by doing that, I would allow Oracle Order Management to use that credit card on a recurring basis for all new sales orders associated with that customer account. Now, let's take a look at embedded out-of-the-box integration of our solution with the order management pages. I mentioned earlier that our Credit Card Integration Hub uses native order fulfillment in Oracle Order Management. We also use native hold management functionality to deal with exceptions, holds, any type of events that would require customer sales representative intervention in Oracle Cloud applications. So in this case, you can see that we have out-of-the-box Oracle infolets on the order management screen, where you can see orders on hold because of credit card exception. That may happen when, for example, credit card is being captured at order entry stage, but later during the processing, when, let's say, merchandise is shipped due to insufficient funds, Oracle is unable to reserve funds on customer credit cards. In this case, the order would be placed on hold with a relevant error message. You will see an example of credit card exception hold on the screen now, where we can see that this order is now on hold. The fulfillment has been stopped due to credit card exception and insufficient funds on credit card ending with 1234, expiring in August 2020. Now we can use delivered screens in Oracle and resolve the hold using the fulfillment screen. We can also jump to credit card profile screen that we had seen in the just a few moments ago, or we can press online charges link. That would allow us to enter new credit card number using chosen credit card payment gateway functionality. In this case, it's again authorized.net. So I can enter a new credit card, and then after I'm done, after I enter a billing address, I would click pre-authorize button on the bottom of that form, and this way our sales order would be pre-authorized securely and safely between Oracle and payment processor, and then those charges would be firmed up and finalized upon the successful shipment or delivery to customer site, depending on your setup in Oracle. Lastly, just to quickly demonstrate necessary setup steps, as I mentioned, this is a plug and play, predefined integration solution that works with most of credit card gateways and processors like authorized.net, CyberSource, and so forth. From the setup standpoint, it's extremely easy and straightforward. We would be using a functional setup manager. And if we simply go to manage payment systems, the credentials or the keys necessary for Oracle Cloud Instance to communicate with the external payment processor and utilize all events that Credit Card Integration Hub handles for all stages of order processing. Those credentials are entered using the delivered managed payment systems entry screen in the functional setup manager. And in this case, you can see an example entry against CyberSource, one of the payments processors that is being supported. This concludes our quick demo. To wrap up and summarize, our Credit Card Integration Hub offers seamless integration with Oracle and within our Oracle applications, specifically blends into the modern business processes within Oracle order management, inventory management for all stages and sources of sales orders in Oracle Cloud. We are taking advantage of the native hold management capabilities to alert order management users to orders that are on hold. And you can see right now on the screen just a recap of the functionality that we saw earlier with an example order being put on hold because of credit card exception. We are supporting recurring payments for which details are being entered against customer accounts. We are supporting both embedded functionality as well as full redirect to external payment gateway credit card entry form, as was illustrated. We also support single and multiple merchant accounts, meaning that you can have for, let's say, all brands, you can have one single merchant ID. You can also have multiple merchant IDs that you assign to customers or customer groups based on predefined criteria. We have also shown integration with order fulfillment stages, so ability to, let's say, override a predefined credit card exception by entering a new credit card. With that, I will conclude our quick demo. For more details, please go and visit our website, www.avata.com, or any of the contact forms listed on the screen now. Thanks again. Take care.